What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one we're going to go over the Epic water filters Nalgene bottle. This is the 1400 milliliter or 46 ounce, the big bottle. Boulder, Colorado design. I've been using Nalgene bottles for years. I have some that are 20 years old. I still use them. Nalgene makes a great product. I'm going to be able to use this water filter system for a long time. Epic Water Filters is made in the USA. They make great products and they're trusted by a wide range of outdoor enthusiasts, from kayakers like me to campers, bikers, RVers. This is a great product. So what do you get here with the kit? Well, you're going to get the Nalgene bottle. You can get this in various sizes, styles, or designs. Going to get the top to the Nalgene bottle. Going to get the straw or the pickup for the filter. And a Night Eyes carabiner. Now the carabiner is going to fit onto the top, just like that. And we'll get back to that in just a second. So let's talk a little bit about the filters and how to set this product up. Again, made in the USA. This is the filter housing. When you order one of these bottles, you're going to get 2 filters. You're going to get the Everywhere filter, which is the white filter. And this is great for, just like the name describes, this is great for everywhere, right? This is great for travel, whether you're, using tap water at a park or water from a stream. This is going to be a great option for you. And you also get an every tap filter. Now you got 2 little grommets. They just pop the filter in just like that for the locking top on the housing. We'll set the Everywhere filter down. This is your every tap filter, and this is specifically built for tap water, right? So if you're going to carry the Nalgene around day to day, you're going to typically fill this up specifically with tap water. This is the filter you're going to use. Now to swap the filter is super easy. Just pop it on the end there. Pop it in the filter housing. As you can see, there's a lock and an unlock. Just going to turn it and lock it, just like that. Okay, so we're going to set up the bottle. You're going to take your straw or your pickup, pop it in the top of your filter, make sure it's in there real good, place it in the bottle, pop it into your top like that. And screw it down. Now the straw is going to give it plenty of carry so that your filter is in the bottom of the bottle. You can swap your filters out whenever you want. You can also pick up more from Epic Water Filters as you need them. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. This is a great product by Epic Water Filters. You got to check it out. The Nalgene water filter combination.